Hello everyone, it's your Lux Queen Jackie and welcome to my channel. I put out videos once a week on lifestyle, luxury bags, luxury fashion, beauty, and makeup. So subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Today's video is a review of the Louis Vuitton Emilie wallet. This long wallet from Louis Vuitton is iconic, traditional, and classic in every single way. It measures 7.5 inches in length, 3.9 inches in height, and 0.8 inches in depth. I'm going to go through the wallet so that you can see. As you can see, it's a zip closure. The one I have here is in monogram canvas. You see the LBs in the front and in the back. It's just one piece of canvas all around. That's why in the back you see that it looks upside down, but that is the way it's supposed to be. And the button is in fuchsia. The little zipper pull is in fuchsia. You're gonna see when I open it. The inside is in fuchsia. It says Louis Vuitton Paris. Snap closure. And it has 4 credit card slots on the front, which you can double if you want. I've doubled it before. And it has a coin section here in the zipper enclosure. In here, it has one pocket here that you can put more cards or you can put cash, and another pocket here that you can put receipts or whatever you want. I like to keep my cash here in the back, as you can see. I have it there. I use that for cash. I use this for coins. And I put credit cards both here. See how that fits really nicely. And I also, if I want to, if I have extra credit cards, I put them in here. Very nice. It's very comfortable, very soft, very pliable. It's just wonderful to touch. For a long wallet, I find it very thin and compact. Usually I see those long wallets and they're like thick and big, and this is just really, really thin and pliable, as you can see. And once you snap it, nothing falls out. I've used it and nothing falls out of anywhere. It's really a wonderful wallet and one of my favorites. It is also a very durable wallet. I bought this wallet in 2018 when I got my Neverfull, and as you can see, it looks brand new. Beautiful, brand new, no scratches. The button is intact. I know some people have problems with the button scratching, but mine is perfect. Perfect in every way. I've had no problem. This wallet retails right now in 2021 for $545 on the Louis Vuitton website. I don't think I even paid $500 for it when I bought it in 2018. I think it was $400 something. The prices have gone up, but it's a wonderful, iconic wallet that I will keep for the rest of my life. Now I'm going to show you if this beauty fits in your smaller bags. I'm going to show you with 2 of my bags to see how it fits. This is my pochette accessoire, and I'm going to show you how it fits inside this little mini bag, which I love. It's one of my favorites. It's just my grab and go bag. When I go to the grocery store or anywhere fast, this is the bag that I use. So I'm going to show you how it fits in there. Here's the wallet. Here's the bag. Right in. See? No problem at all. I can still fit my keys, my phone without a problem. Let's zip her up. She fits perfectly. I'm also going to show you how she fits in a clutch. Here is my kirigami pouch. I use this when I go out as a clutch, and I'm going to show you how she fits in here. Goes right in without a problem. Do you see? I still have space for keys, for my lipstick, for a compact. It fits perfectly. Let's close her up. Beautiful. I'm ready to go, ready for a night on the town. Now I want to show you the difference between this long Emilie wallet and a smaller Louis Vuitton wallet, the Victorine wallet. See the difference in lengths? This is a longer wallet and this is a shorter wallet. They're both wonderful wallets. I love them both and they will never leave my collection, but you always need to have a long wallet and a smaller wallet. And to me, these are it. These are my iconic wallets. One question I've been asked is if a passport fits in this wallet, and I'm going to show you how it fits perfectly without a problem. It's my passport. I'm going to put it in one of the compartments here. I put it in. Close. Perfect. Not a problem. It is the perfect travel wallet. You can put all your traveling papers in here, your passport, close it, and let's go. I hope you liked my review of the Louis Vuitton Emilie wallet. Please subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you can know when I upload a video like this one that I'm going to put right up here, a review of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Thanks again, my friends, and I will see you next time on the next video.